Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 7,000 pounds 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, transmission, 6-speed automatic, All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65R18 on-off-road, white outline letter, LPO, all-weather floor mats, ebony deep rib rubber, license plate bracket, front, Z71 appearance package and the suspension package, off-road. Call 843-797-8000 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.